The 951 SXE soldering station. Features: accurate linear temperature control, compact space-saving design, Fahrenheit or Celsius display options, and easy external calibration. Also features a lightweight handle designed for quick and easy tip changes, a modular sponge tray that can be stored under the unit, illuminated push button power switch for better visibility, and takes a wide variety of tips. Advantages and benefits: production ready station, quick heat up and recovery, fast and efficient soldering, energy saving tool holder extends tip life, easy to maintain, RoHS compliant and DSD safe, and it comes with an 18-month warranty. The 951 SXE meets all the specifications for a production ready environment. The 951 SXE, the right tool gets the job done right. Innovating ideas since 1961. For more information, visit EDSYN.com.